Have you ever heard of the keto flu? Sounds like something contagious, right? But don't worry, you won't need hand sanitizer for this one. Hi, I'm Dr. Hampton, and I've helped countless patients reverse chronic conditions like type 1 diabetes and obesity using keto and the carnivore diets. Today, I'll reveal why the keto flu happens, how to survive it, and best of all, how to avoid it altogether. Stick around, because your journey to better health shouldn't be derailed by something as simple as electrolytes. And trust me, most of you won't even experience it. Ready to thrive? Let's go. Let's demystify the keto flu. It's not a virus. It's just your body adapting to a new energy source. Think of it as carbohydrate withdrawal. When you remove carbs from your diet, your body starts to panic. Like, where's the sugar? Symptoms like fatigue, headache, muscle cramps, or even brain fog can occur during this transition, but they're temporary. Here's the best part. Most of my patients never feel these symptoms at all. Why? Because they're prepared, and preparation is everything. Think of keto flu as your body throwing a tantrum before realizing fat isn't even better fuel. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that the term keto flu didn't even exist 20 years ago? It was coined when keto gained popularity in modern diet culture. Our ancestors didn't complain about it. They were too busy hunting mammoths. Okay, let's get nerdy for a moment. Here's what happens inside your body when you start a keto or carnivore diet. Number 1, glycogen depletion. Carbs are stored in your liver and muscles as glycogen. When you cut carbs, your body uses up glycogen and with it, water. For every gram of glycogen, you lose 3 grams of water. That's why you lose a lot of water weight in the first week. Number 2, electrolyte imbalances. As the water flushes out, it takes sodium, potassium, and magnesium with it. These electrolytes are crucial for muscle contractions, nerve function, and hydration. When they're out of whack, you feel crummy. Number 3, switching energy systems. Your body has been a sugar burner for years, and now you're asking it to burn fat instead. This metabolic switch can take a few days, and during that time, your cells might feel low energy. But don't worry, it's like upgrading from a gas engine to a Tesla. Once you're in ketosis, you'll be running on premium fuel. Here's another fun fact. Did you know that ketones are the preferred fuel for your brain? Your brain loves fat. It's like switching from a cheap fast food to gourmet steak for your neurons. Here's the thing, keto flu is not inevitable. Many of my patients never experience it because they're proactive. Here's how you can avoid it or recover quickly if it hits. Number 1, electrolytes are your best friend. I usually recommend Keto Chow SALTT capsules to many of my patients. They're convenient and effective. Bouillon cubes are another great option. Just dissolve one in hot water for a salty, soothing drink. Magnesium cream or oil can work wonders for muscle cramps. Rub it on before bed for a restful night. Potassium-rich foods like avocado are a lifesaver for those of you who are not carnivore. Number 2, stay hydrated. But be smart about it because overhydrating without electrolytes can actually make things worse. Balance is key. Number 3, ease into it. If you're transitioning from a high-carb diet, try tapering your carbs gradually instead of cutting them overnight. Number 4, add healthy fats early on. Fats like butter, ghee, lard, and beef tallow help your body adapt faster by providing an immediate energy source. Number 5, salt under your tongue. Feeling dizzy or tired? A pinch of salt under your tongue can be an instant pick-me-up. Fun fact. During World War II, Inuit communities eating traditional high-fat diets rarely faced modern diseases or carb withdrawal. They thrive on fat and salt while the rest of the world relied on processed food. Now let's address the elephant, or rather the steak, in the room. Why go through this transition at all? Because the benefits of keto and carnivore diets far outweigh the initial discomfort. Let's think about a few. Number 1, reversal of chronic diseases. Diseases like type 2 diabetes, polycystic ovarian syndrome, hypertension, fatty liver are just a few of the conditions that improve dramatically. And that's because your body becomes a fat-burning machine, reducing inflammation and improving metabolic health. Number 2, nutrient density and bioavailability. Animal-based diets provide highly bioavailable nutrients like B12, iron, and omega-3s, which are hard to get from plant-based diets. Compare that to vegan diets, which often require supplements like B12, iron, and DHA just to stay afloat. Number 3, long-term energy stability. Once you're fat adaptive, no more afternoon crashes or hangry episodes. It's smooth sailing all day. I know it's hard to believe, but you simply don't get as hungry anymore. Fun fact, ketones were first studied in the 1920s to treat epilepsy, and they're still used today for seizure management. Turns out, they're not just for weight loss, they're therapeutic. Now let's take a step back in time. Humans have been eating low-carb, animal-based diets for thousands of years, from the Inuit in the Arctic to the Maasai in Africa. These cultures thrived without ever hearing the word keto flu. The difference? They didn't live on processed food first. Imagine telling a Viking about carb withdrawal. They'd laugh and say, pass the salt and the roasted boar. It's only in the modern era with our processed food addictions that this transition feels tough. Here's the bottom line. The keto flu is temporary, but the benefits of keto and carnivore are life-changing. Don't let a few days of adjustment hold you back from transforming your health. Knowledge is power, so stay informed, stay consistent, and remember, you're not alone on this journey. So if this video helped you, hit the like button, share with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Let's make this year the year you reclaim your health one steak at a time. I'll see you in the next video.